Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I'm doing a quick Glossybox unboxing. Only this is not the regular Glossybox. This is the extra special Easter egg Glossybox. They launch these every year, and this year I have been lucky enough to be sent one, so I get to show it to you before it comes out. So this is worth a whopping £198, but it's priced at just £45. And I've got a special discount code, which is EGG10 to get an extra £10 off. So it's actually £35. So it's worth £198 and it's being sold for basically £35 with the discount code, which I think is pretty mage. It's released on the 5th of March for subscribers, and non-subscribers will have to wait until the 7th of March. So let me show you what's inside. First of all, here is how it's packaged. That's better. Now you can see it's actually a proper egg. Honestly, there's so much in this that it's hard to shut. In fact, there's so much in it that not everything fits inside. Speaking of which, this is the first item. Let's get it in focus. There we go. This is by Schwarzkopf. It is a volumizing hairspray. And look at it. It's massive. Now let's open the rest of the egg. I'm going to start off with a real bang. So this is one of my favourite items in the entire box. This is the Soft Focus Glow Drops from Rodial. And they are incredible. This is a full-size product and it normally costs £75 alone, which is like double the price of the entire egg. I love Rodial and these are such an incredible product and it's honestly such a treat. Next up, this is by MUA, Velvet Nudes. Look at this eyeshadow palette. The colours are beautiful. Personally, I'm really into these lighter shades. Spark and Tulle are beautiful. But if you're more into a smoky eye, then the second half of the palette will be beautiful. But it's generally a really wearable palette. Gorgeous colours. And yeah, what a treat. Also, I really like their eyeshadows. I think they're really good quality and really affordable too. Next up, we have a little bit of Medicate. So this is their Retinol Night Serum. It's a full-size product and it normally retails for £45 alone. Next up, this is by e.l.f. And this is their Holy Hydration. And this is a cleansing balm. I've never tried this before, but I really like e.l.f. products, so I'm looking forward to giving this a go. Ooh, and then we have some Ghost perfume. Look at that bottle. It's so cute. It's a little crescent moon. Oh, it smells good. You're gonna like it, I promise. Next up, we have a lip oil from Collection. And then the final item is another perfume, which is super unusual to get two perfumes in one beauty box. And this is Glow by JLo. And confession time, I've literally never tried Glow by JLo. I know it's such a famous perfume, but I've just never tried it. I've heard it's good, so I'm looking forward to giving it a go. Anyway, that is the entire box. I think it's incredible. It's such good value. It's worth it for the Medicate and the Rodial alone. And if you want it, make sure you get it quick because these usually sell out super fast. And just as a reminder, it is launched on the 5th of March for subscribers and the 7th of March for non-subscribers. I will try and put the link below, but yeah, that is everything. I hope you liked my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.